Hello and welcome back to Hard Reset Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix no sound during calls on REALME GT Neo 5. Let's begin! So, when you are on call, your volume buttons change a little. By default, when we click volume up, we'll actually increase the media volume. And if we decrease it, we are decreasing it. However, when we are on a call, instead of increasing the media volume, we are increasing the call volume. So while you are on the call, you want to basically make sure that you have your sound pretty high up. Otherwise, you might not hear the other person and you may think that you have no sound. But let's say you already done that and it's still not working. Then I would advise you to simply expand your control center and disable Bluetooth. When disabling Bluetooth, you get rid of every single connection, and when we are talking through the phone, we want our phone to receive the audio, not our Bluetooth device. Lastly, I can simply also advise you to just clean your earpiece or clean the speakers. If you're not sure how to do that, you can watch other tutorials on our channel, but basically you just use some sort of soft brush and you should be good to go. Just make sure you're not using anything metallic. And if it's still not helping, you can always just press and hold your power button or power button and volume up. It really depends on how you have configured your shortcuts, and then you want to simply restart your device, though you do need to input your lock screen first. Whenever you restart your device, you are restarting every single system on it too, including some crucial things like, for example, microphone, speakers, and ability to call other people. But yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.